Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you guys can make a cinematic video by using InShot app. Let's start. At first you have to open your InShot app. Now tap on the video. Here tap on new. Now choose the video that you want to add. Then fix the canvas and select which app you are going to upload the video, and then select the canvas like this. Now watch your video and do the editing that you need to do with your video. And here I'm going to split the video to show you the differences. Now tap on effects and then tap on adjust, and in here I'm going to grow the lightness and also the contrast. Here the warmth I'm going to lower it. Now I'm going to lower it as well. And now saturation I'm going to grow it also. And here I'm going to grow the fade, and then the highlight. Now the shadow I'm going to lower it. In here I'm going to grow it also, and then let's watch the video. And here is the video without this effect. This is what it looks like after giving it a cinematic look. So this is how you guys can make a cinematic video by using InShot app. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.